Happy Thursday, students. You guys have made it through another week of distance learning because you guys don't have school tomorrow. Lucky you. Today's video is only applicable to you if you are planning on presenting your Finsta project on Flipgrid. If you are signed up for a time to do a live presentation during one of these sessions, those are 10 o'clock, 10:30, or 1 o'clock or 1:30, then you do not have to watch this video. You can, but you don't have to. Okay. Please do make sure that you watch for these instructions if you are making a Flipgrid presentation because I've gotten a lot of emails about it and it's really hard to explain over email. It's easier to show you guys. So I have my completed Finsta project here, and what I'm going to do and what you're going to do when you go to create your Flipgrid presentation is you're going to first go to the Flipgrid, and it'll look like this for you. It is titled Finsta Project Presentation, and the link is in Google Classroom. So you're going to record a response just like you normally would. Okay, just log in with your Google account. This is weird. It's a video within a video of me. So what you're going to do basically is when you have it up here, you are going to go to this video option, these three dots, and you're going to click where it says screen recording beta. Okay. You're going to click Start Screen Recording. So what this is, it's a really cool feature where it will actually record everything on your screen, just like what I get to do, but Flipgrid does it for you. So Start Screen Recording. This is where it gets a little confusing. Just click your entire screen, okay? So once you click Share, it'll say it's sharing your screen. Once it says this, capturing your screen, as of now, the video has started. So as you can see up here in the corner, the time is counting down. I put a 5-minute maximum. I think a lot of you guys, you don't have to present for the full 5 minutes, but just for your own sanity, don't feel like you have to, teach a class on it. Okay, so this is strange. Look, I've got 2 videos down here. Apparently, the computer doesn't like when I videotape me screen sharing myself. Okay, so anyhow, once it says this, you are capturing your screen. So whatever you do, for example, going here right now, it's videotaping still. Okay, you can still see because at the bottom it says flipgrid.com is sharing your screen. So once you go off of this tab, just know that it's still recording and you don't have to stick on this tab. Okay, I'm going to stop recording. As you can see here, the video starts with capturing your screen. That is okay. I mean, you can edit it. So my computer's been a little finicky. You can edit it so that that part is gone. You can get rid of that part where it's capturing your screen and start it by dragging just so it starts right here. You don't have to, but it looks nicer. Okay, and then you can get rid of any parts that maybe are, not great. You can delete, you can still do things like add a sticky note, that type of thing, and then you'll confirm eventually and post it. Okay, so when you actually go to do your presentation, what I want you to do is, first of all, it's helpful and it's a lot easier to see and a lot better looking. If you go to slide and then, oh, my bad. I am making myself look really old because I'm used to PowerPoint. And in PowerPoint, you go to slide. Never mind, you go to present. you click present. This looks a lot better. So once you're actually recording your video, if you click present, this is how your video will look, and you won't see everything on the side there. I just think it looks nicer and it's easier to focus. So you're going to talk through your slides. When you're presenting the profile, I want you don't have to read word for word off of the slide, but I want you to go through, first explain your character and what book it's from, explain why you chose the character, explain your rationale or why you put this information here in their bio. And then if there are any posts or pictures on their profile page here that don't have posts later, it might be a good idea to just explain why they're there. Okay, as you guys know, I actually linked up my post. So if I click on the basketball hoop, it'll bring me to that post, which is cool. When you go to the individual posts, you don't have to read word for word, because those of us watching your video, we can read. But maybe explain what this post is about and explain a little bit about what it tells you about your character, why you chose it. Okay. Same with all of these. So see if you can dig a little deeper into why you chose to do a post this way, give some context, and just, you guys, I've looked through most of your projects. You should be proud of how your projects look. So this is your chance to actually share with everybody else, why did you choose to do a post about this? Give us some insight into your thinking. That is all I have to say about that. Once you figure out the screen sharing thing for Flipgrid, and then the editing, it's the same as just posting any other video, and you guys have been great at that. Okay. You can also get rid of this and completely start over if you don't like how your video went, which is the advantage of Flipgrid. If for some reason you are doing Flipgrid and it is driving you absolutely crazy and you hate it and it's not working well, and there's still time, like let's say you're trying to record your video sometime in the morning or around noon, you can still come pop into one of my presentation sessions and just ask to present instead of doing a Flipgrid. Even if you didn't sign up in advance, that's fine. We still have openings. Email me if you have any questions. Otherwise, I'm really looking forward to watching your Flipgrid presentations. Have a great day.